Hey guys, today we're going to continue talking about comparing quantities, and we're going to talk about a set that is greater than or a set that has more. So I have two groups of fruit here, and I'm looking for the group of fruit that is more than the other one. Yesterday when we were talking about sets that were equal to, we talked about a couple of ways that we could figure out how a set is more than, how a set is equal to. So one of the ways we talked about is that we could count and compare the numbers. So let's count. I have some apples here and I have some pears here. So let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 pears. Which number is greater, 4 or 6? 6 is the bigger number, therefore I have more pears than I have apples. Another way that we talked about how to determine whether we have more of one set is that we can line them up, and the set that continues past the other set is our larger set. So let's line up our apples and our pears. So I'm going to slide them over, okay? So I'm going to make a line with my pears. I'm going to turn them this way. All right, so I'm going to make my pears like this, okay? So here's my line of pears. Now I'm going to match my apples up with a pear. So I've got one pear here, one here, one here, and one here. But wait, I have 2 extra pears. If I have extra of any of the objects, that means that set is greater than. So I have more pears than I have apples. The set of pears is greater than the set of apples. And I can look at it very easily and see that I have more pears. So that's what it means when we talk about a set being greater than or more than. It means that they have a larger number or a bigger quantity. Today when you're working in your math workbook pages, you're going to look for the sets that are more than, and you're going to compare them, and you're going to circle or color whatever the directions tell you to do. So just think about the couple of ways that you could do it. You can line them up and compare the objects that way, compare the sets, or you can count and compare the two numbers. Either way, you're going to be able to easily figure out which set is more than.